Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Initially my channel name was Jack Curtis TV, but I changed the name to Black Sheep TV Vlogs. Uh, Please like, share, and subscribe, and also bear in mind that I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm just freelancing as I go along. Hopefully, I can get better at this and create more quality, professional videos. Uh, in my first video, I made a bird trap that they call Calaban. This time around, we're gonna make one that they call a fly up, which is a totally different type of bird trap. Okay, so let's get into it right away. So the first thing you need in order to make this bird trap now, you need to select a small tree. And as you can see around me, there's a lot of small trees. Anyhow, I've already gone and selected one, which is this one. This is the one I'm gonna use. So guys, I'm just clearing the area. This is the tree, guys. This is the one I'm using. So, alright. So that's the first step, guys. Selecting the tree. Alright guys, so after you select the tree, you're gonna need a piece of card. So I'm using a piece of swash card. Very ideal for this. Very strong and durable. Okay, so this is a piece of card. Alright. So what you wanna do now, guys, is tie this onto the tree. Something like this. Right. Right. Perfect. Perfect, guys. This is it. Alright. Now the next step, guys, you need You need a piece of stick like this, guys. Yeah, about this length, about inch and a half or 2 inch in length, or even an inch. But I'm gonna use this. Here's the stick, guys. The tree. And make sure the tree is flexible. Flexible, can bend without breaking. And this is a piece of stick. So you're gonna 1 second, guys. I think you need a better angle here. Right. So you're gonna tie it here. Yes, guys, we're gonna tie it like this. So it should look like this. So the tree come down, you tie on the card, and about this length from the card, or from the tree. This length from the tree, you're gonna tie on the stick here. Okay. So now we're gonna move to the next part. So right. So the next part now, guys, you need please bear with me, guys. Bear with me, please. All right, perfect. Guys, you need the next step is something like this. You need a cook stick. Sharpen this point so you can nail it into the ground. I have a cook up here. Okay. So I'm gonna use a stone. I'm gonna nail it into the ground. First, I need a guidance as to how to nail it in the ground. So this is the guidance now. So this is how the chop works. This is how the chop works, guys. So I need that guidance as to where to anchor it. Okay? So I'm gonna anchor it right here. Okay? Perfect, guys. Next step now, guys, we need another piece of stick. Something like this. You'll sharpen the end just the same, so you can sharpen the end just the same, so you can nail it in the ground as well. So that first piece of stick that you anchored, you're gonna anchor this piece right across from it. Okay, guys. So you anchor that piece right here. So now what you need now, guys, is a circumference around this as a sheet. So you need a circumference right around. This circumference that you're gonna build is to prevent the bird from walking this direction into the chop, because you want the bird to walk one direction, which is this direction, or vice versa. You put the anchor around here, so they walk that direction, or you put the anchor around here, so they walk this direction. So that part is very simple, guys. You just need a couple pieces of stick. So that's one piece. Two piece. Three piece. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. Alright, guys. So now you can just continue nail right around. Them thing I used to do in my youth, you know. When I see the youth I do them thing I get culture change. Yeah, guys, I them something I grew up on as a youth. The culture make a drastic turn, you know. Marble and playing elastic and all of them things. Making calaban. Go a river go play lickings. I don't know what that's lickings on it. for you to grow happy, man. Enjoy with child to a certain extent. Like slingshot and go shoot bird and them thing, you know. Yeah, wow, hold it one stick, guys. Right. The bird I go see the feeding, guys. See the feeding or smell the feeding, whatever them do. And look for a way if you come in for it. Now when you back around it like this now, I go walk around and come to the entrance. Just a couple. Also bear in mind, guys, that depending on the type of whatever you want to catch, determine the strength of the card you use and the size of the tree. Because this simple chopper you see me make right here can catch a human being. The only difference now if you try to catch a human being, you have to disguise certain things. But you only use them stick here. You only use them stick here. And them here now, you cover it with trash or something. Anyway, we're not talking about the human something, because we don't need to catch a human, but we just try to explain. So if you try to catch like a hog, you use a bigger tree or more stronger. And a stronger cord or rope if you want to use that. Can't catch a gun, wild hog. Goat, anything at all. As long as the tree powerful enough. So you have to use bigger tree, bigger cord, and bigger space. Can't catch a goat or a pig. Very effective, man. You get stranded on an island, you can use a method there. You catch something to eat if you have cord. Very, very effective. You can catch a bird within hours of setting this. Almost there, guys. Just bear with me for a sec. I want to see the finished product, yeah? bird of me, I am for change, can't fit through them space. Pigeon. Call him white belly. There's plenty about here. White belly bird every turn. But the thing is, guys, we use Calaban and catch them. I mean, two of them enough. You can catch all two of them and eat, and not to buy meat. Remember me tell you. Or more to depending on how much chop you set. But the thing now, we catch quite a few of them. But I don't like how them taste. Yeah. I'm gonna try to raise them too, but they are so wild. They are so wild. You know, they put them in a coop, them bat out themselves. Nah eat and bat out themselves. So no bother with it, we just let them go. And as I say, I try to eat them. I mean, I like how it tastes. It just want to go weird. Weird, raw. I don't even know if you put it. A matter of fact, I kill one already and when I eat them, I vomit. I don't know if I try me kill it. I vomit it up. Stomach sick. If you start trying me kill it. Thing with this trap now, guys, you catch something in and when you come and be a feather, you know, mangoes beat at it. You know? If you know, if you're not there for you monitor, I go look on it. By the time you actually go look on it, man, mangoes beat to the catch. Alright, guys, so that is it. Now when the bird come, see the feed inside. You want to make sure it's inside clear, as well as around it. Yeah, man, when them see the place clear out, so that draw them attention. Once them see the place clear, that alone draw them attention. They must say, yeah, something there to eat, man. Easy to find something. You make sure the air is clear. Right through. You have to get something. Have to. Chop is very effective, guys. Have to get some. Alright, without the final stage, guys. Final stage. Alright. We're at the final stage. So for the final stage now, guys, you're gonna need one final piece of stick. Okay? One final piece of stick. And this is about the thickness you want it. Okay? Make sure it has flat edges. Very flat. You measure it between the two first posts that you planted. Two first posts them. and you get the length. Alright. So this is the length. Alright guys. So this is the final puzzle. Right? Now so this stick, guys, is gonna come and rest on this piece of stick. The first piece that you tie here. So stick is gonna come and rest on it like this, and then rest on this piece. So the chop is set once you do that. Okay. Next thing to bear in mind, guys. This, when you're setting it, always keep your face away from this. So if it accidentally fly up, you know, look in your face and cause serious damage. So that is a safety precaution. Always keep your face away from this. Okay? So you carry it down like this. See? Always keep your face away. Very dangerous, guys. Yeah. Right here. Now, the chop is set, so I'm still keeping my face away. Now I'm going to make a simple knot tie with the rest of this card. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. So, chop is set. Alright, guys. I'm going to show you exactly what is going on now, so you can have a better understanding. So remember, first thing we did was cutting this stick, ensure it's flexible. Then we came on, we use this crook stick here, and this here, the first two pieces. And then we put a little piece, tie on the card here with this piece. Okay? And we back it around. So the bird have to come around this side to enter when them see the feeding in here. So, alright? So the trick now, this piece ensures it's tall enough to stretch from here and go from here to here. Because if you notice, it have to go under for all this. Okay? So it have to go under here. So it tall from here to here. Okay? So this stick is the one holding this. Alright? Now when the bird come, the weight of the bird are going to step on here, so to go in. When the bird step on here, so to go in, this are going to drop down. And the simple not here, so now I go catch him foot. Because when this drop down, this I go fly up so fast, him not have time for react. So this, the simple not I go catch him foot and time up and fling him up in the air. So most when you use this trap, you definitely pre-fi kill the bird if you eat it. Because now I can't raise after that, because probably all him foot pop out or whatever. That damage him. Because I go fling him up in the air. Fast, very fast. So that's it, guys. That's the concept. Now, as you can see, I'm using some beans. You know, sour orange should be the more ideal thing. That'd be the more ideal thing for use. Unfortunately, I don't have no sour orange right now. And even sweet sap time, okay, for sweet sap time, I could have find one sweet sap and get out some nice seed. Them love that. But then we eat this just the same. Yeah. So you can use sour orange seed, lemon seed, even rice. Anything I can catch now. So I put that in the chop now. Like so. So far away. I'm actually have to go in. We're not too close to you so them can push in and eat it. But far enough in that I have to go in. Now I go stay outside and eat. So going in, I'm going to step on this guy, as I say. And this I go fly up. Simple not I go catch him foot. So that's it, guys. That's how you make a fly up chop. Okay? Alright, guys. Here's a better look. So that's it, guys. Alright. So guys, thanks for watching. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay? And I'm just hoping that things can work out good, that me can grow in this YouTube vlogging endeavor. You know, and become one of them great YouTubers there. You know, but you know, you have to start from somewhere, so you know, probably the quality of the video might not so hot. You know, just bear with me. You know, as time goes by, I'm try to learn the thing more in depth and you know, get more crafty and thing, you know, the whole thing. Thanks for watching again. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm out.